Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we bridge the gap between the ancient rocks beneath our feet and the cutting-edge technology of the future. If you have ever felt like you are drowning in a sea of research papers, struggling to grasp complex jargon or feeling lost in the sheer volume of scientific literature, you are not alone. Whether you are a seasoned senior geologist, a junior explorer just starting out, or simply an earth science enthusiast, the struggle to stay updated is real. For years, we have had to manually hunt through PDFs, switch between dozens of browser tabs, and spend hours trying to find that one specific mention of a geochemical anomaly. It's exhausting, and let's be honest, most of us would rather be out in the field hitting rocks with a hammer than sitting behind a screen organizing a messy Zotero library. But what if I told you that the research landscape has fundamentally shifted as of 2026? Today, we are diving deep into a tool that is quite literally changing the way we do geology. It's called SciSpace, and it's no longer just a simple paper-reading assistant. It has evolved into a full-scale AI research ecosystem that handles everything from initial discovery to drafting publication-ready reports. If you want to spend less time on manual data entry and more time on high-level interpretation, this video is for you. Let's start with the My Library feature, which has received a massive upgrade. Think of it as a smart research vault that actually understands what you've put inside it. Instead of opening 50 different PDFs to find a specific methodology, you can now use the library search function. You can ask natural language questions directly to your own collection, like, show me all the gold mineralization models in my library, and the AI will scan your private papers to give you a synthesized answer. This is a game changer for those of us with PDF hoarding disorder. We all have that folder on our desktop titled Research New Final V3 that contains 300 papers we haven't actually read. Now, the SciSpace agent can search and analyze those papers for you. Your documents stay private, but they become fully searchable and interactable, which saves you from the cognitive tax of jumping between files. The integration with Zotero and Mendeley is perhaps the biggest win for organizational nerds, and I say that with love because I am one. Previously, you had to manually upload files if you wanted an AI to look at them. Now, you can simply connect your Zotero account, and SciSpace gain instant access to your entire reference library. If you have a folder dedicated to Appalachian Basin tectonics, you can ask the agent to summarize the consensus views on anoxia levels in that specific folder, and it will do it in minutes. But it gets even better for those of us dealing with hard data. Geology is a data-intensive field where we live and die by isotopic ratios, mineral concentrations, and formation temperatures. SciSpace's data extractor is now capable of pulling structured data from PDFs in over 75 languages. You can define up to 50 custom columns, things like silicon dioxide percentages, zircon ages, or salinity ranges, and the AI will populate a table across a batch of papers. Imagine you're studying magnetite veins and you need to compare the geochemistry of 50 different deposits. Doing this manually in Excel would take weeks and probably result in several typos and a very sore neck. With this AI tool, you can automate that entire process. It can even identify the most significant predictors in geochemical modeling, helping you refine your exploration strategy before you even step onto the site. For students and junior geologists, the literature review is often the most daunting part of any project. The volume of geological publications is staggering, rivaling the growth of chemistry papers worldwide. The new literature review generator agent follows academic standards like the Prisma framework to automate the scoping, screening, and drafting phases of your review. It doesn't just give you a summary, it groups findings by themes and drafts a narrative review with in-text citations. If you are investigating something like microplastics in swamp ecosystems or the tectonic evolution of the high Atlas Mountains, this agent becomes your best friend. It provides a transparency annex, documenting why certain papers were included or excluded. This level of rigor is exactly what high-impact journals are looking for, and it takes the guesswork out of the systematic review process. The mapping agent also transforms the review into a visual exercise. It performs co-citation analysis to identify the anchor studies, the foundational work everyone cites, and the bridging studies that connect different concepts. This helps you avoid fragmented summaries and allows you to see how terminology has drifted over time between different geological schools of thought. It's like having a GPS for the history of geological ideas. If you are interested in these subjects, please subscribe, Hit the like button, leave a comment from where are you visiting, and share this channel with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring. Now, let's talk about the visual side of things, because geologists love their maps and diagrams. The 2026 update introduces the ability to interpret and even generate scientific illustrations. If you are struggling to understand a complex stratigraphic column, you can use the Chat with PDF feature. You can literally crop a section of a column and ask the AI, what does the slope of these lines indicate about rock mass rating? The AI is smart enough to explain that slanted lines might indicate a propensity for toppling failures, while vertical lines suggest possible slab failures. For petroleum geologists, the tool can even explain 3D seismic flattening and Wheeler diagrams. It helps you remove post-depositional deformations, so you can see the rock layers as they were originally emplaced, highlighting the unconformities that represent missing time in the geological record. One of the most futuristic additions is the scientific illustration generation tool. You can request a visual summary of a paper's findings. For example, if a paper describes the tectonic evolution of a region using paleomagnetic data, SciSpace can generate an illustration representing those complex spatial relationships. While you should always verify these graphics against the raw data, they provide an incredible starting point for conference presentations and journal figures. For the professionals in mining and energy, SciSpace helps you study discovery histories. You can synthesize rock chip sampling, geophysical surveys, and silica sinter mapping from past projects to understand how high-grade zones were identified. This is invaluable for brownfields exploration, where you need to integrate legacy data with modern interpretations to find what others might have missed. Environmental impact assessments are another area where this tool shines. Mining companies are under pressure to reduce their carbon footprint and mitigate environmental damage. Geologists can use the platform to quantify impacts on air quality and biodiversity using established methods found in the literature. It even helps with mitigation planning, such as optimizing hauling routes to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The platform also acts as a mentor for students. It hosts research on geoethics and the idea of a Hippocratic oath for geologists. This isn't just about rocks, it's about our social role in preventing landslides, managing water resources, and shaping climate policy. It reminds us that being a geologist comes with a responsibility to the planet and the communities that live on it. When it comes to the final stage, publishing, SciSpace offers over 40,000 journal templates. Whether you are submitting to the Geological Society of America Bulletin or Earth and Planetary Science letters, the platform automatically formats your manuscript to meet their exact guidelines. No more wrestling with word margins or latex bibliography errors at 3 a.m. It's a massive relief for anyone who has ever had a paper returned simply because the citations were in the wrong style. However, a word of caution: the AI is a research assistant, not a replacement for your brain. While it can produce a cleaner citation list or a better literature review, it doesn't automatically mean your research is groundbreaking. You still need to apply your expert judgment to evaluate the novelty framing and claim level of your work. Tools like SciSpace help you get to the starting line faster, but you're the one who has to finish the race. Compared to other tools like Elicit or Consensus, SciSpace stands out because it is specifically focused on the scientific and academic domain. It handles the manual friction, the boring stuff like searching, organizing, and extracting, so you can focus on the higher-level thinking. In 2026, on Mob 1 for 2026, being a successful geologist isn't just about knowing your minerals, it's about being data literate and knowing how to collaborate with AI. We're moving toward a world where planetary-scale data, like NASA's Earth Co-Pilot, is accessible through natural language. SciSpace provides the framework to integrate this massive amount of data into your local geological models. It's an exciting time to be in the earth sciences, and these tools are making it easier than ever to unlock the secrets of the earth. As you build your workflow, remember the Zotero SciSpace Notebook pipeline. Save your papers, let the AI analyze them, and store your insights in a persistent notebook. This creates an audit trail of your thinking, and ensures that your hard work isn't lost in a sea of browser history. It turns your research process into a long-term knowledge base that grows with your career. In conclusion, don't submit your work without using these tools to at least check your citations and your literature coverage. The 2026 updates have redefined what indispensable research infrastructure looks like. By automating the tedious parts of our job, we can spend more time in the field, more time in the lab, and more time actually being geologists. The geological community is at a crossroads where data is multiplying exponentially. The successful geoscientists of the next decade will be those who can turn that raw data into meaningful insights. SciSpace is one of the keys to that future. So, if you haven't tried it yet, now is the time to start. Your hammer is for the rocks, but this AI is for the mountain of information they leave behind. If you are interested in these subjects, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment from where you are visiting, and share this channel with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we bridge the gap between the ancient rocks beneath our feet and the cutting-edge technology of the future. If you have ever felt like you are drowning in a sea of research papers, struggling to grasp complex jargon, or feeling lost in the sheer volume of scientific literature, you are not alone. Whether you are a seasoned senior geologist, a junior explorer just starting out, or simply an earth science enthusiast, the struggle to stay updated is real. For years, we have had to manually hunt through PDFs, switch between dozens of browser tabs, and spend hours trying to find that one specific mention of a geochemical anomaly. It's exhausting, and let's be honest, most of us would rather be out in the field hitting rocks with a hammer than sitting behind a screen organizing a messy Zotero library. But what if I told you that the research landscape has fundamentally shifted as of 2026? Today, we are diving deep into a tool that is quite literally changing the way we do geology. It's called SciSpace, and it's no longer just a simple paper-reading assistant.
Welcome to my channel, where you'll find over 2,000 videos on geology, geochemistry, AI, and many other subjects. If you like what you see, help us grow by subscribing, liking, and sharing this channel.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.